Only person I fear are just goddamn cops. We don't want to see no one cuff.
St. Paul bus big gun. Low place bus big guns.
Viewer subscriber, coming up in this we are going to talk about Tommy Lee Sparta, who listed as a person of interest and supposed to turn himself into the police station. We also going to talk about the dancehall artist Rebel6ix from Trinidad. But before we jump in a hit, meds.
Yeah man, from the mere device them know a binds, you know. And they I represent the DJ Stula. One shot.
Don't step on my shoes. The clock them fresh out of the fridge in my room. Fresh.
You are subscriber. So Tommy Lee Sparta is wanted by the Jamaica Constabulary Force. We're supposed to turn himself in for questioning after an obscene amount of violence is going on in the Flanker area. If you don't know where Flanker is, that is Montego Bay. Tommy Lee Sparta, who is from Flanker but now live in Kingston, but because he's a face of the community, obviously, and he's an artist, so you know he's a celebrity, and as them said, the artists them nowadays are getting you them gun allegedly. For real, we are going to use the word there. So them are going to bring in the artist first. You see me? Them don't care whether them tarnish the artist, them reputation, them name or anything, because when you look on it and feel say the artist them have to fly out and all of them things there. So for them reputation and get tarnished. But the police them don't really response for that. Them a look on it where them say, well, the artist them are the one them we are push the gun them and a push the violence. So again, allegedly. So them are going to bring in the artist. So Tommy Lee Sparta, who you don't know, say, police don't already like him from morning, dog. So them are going to bring him in. And at that, them say, yo, hear me now, dog, you have to go come in for questioning. So, Tommy Lee Sparta, obviously, you know, say, I go turn up and him, I go say what him say, and that's it. Just like other day, you see them pulling Dexter up. So I just saw the thing I run right and now wishing, don't get me wrong, dog. The road I run wicked. The road I run red. So if you know, say, how the thing set right now, yeah, them are going to bring in the artist, them are going to question the artist, them. Because right now, dog, the road I run, the man them not afraid to turn you in a dopey, dog. For real. Viewer, subscriber, coming up next, we are going to talk about Rebel6ix, the Trinidad dancehall artist, Meds.
St. Paul bus big gun. Low place bus big gun.
Viewer subscriber, first and foremost, we have to say condolences goes out to Rebel6ix family and loved one. Dog, it hard when we have to come talk about the artist them, because it seems like the artist them targeted at the moment. And the first thing me have to say, dog, with the artist them right now, you no have to turn up on no security, dog. Once you know make money, you no have to turn up on no security, dog. For real. Rebel6ix in him house a play a video game, dog. A video game the man a play. Him in him house, him comfortable. The dog a chill. And for no say, the man them running at him yard and bore him up, dog. Police say them find about 17, 20 spent shell on the floor. So when me tell us that the man them go in there for kill him, then go in there for kill him, dog. Dog, it hard when we have to talk about something like that, dog. Yo, dog, on no turn up on no security, dog. On no have to turn up on no security. Rebel6ix a Trinidad artist, but you know, say, right now for all the love stay with Trinidad and Jamaica, and for know, say, right now, you know, even squash himself or embrace, you know what I mean? And you know what I mean? Dog, it hard. I can't even talk about it, dog. Meds.
St. Paul bus big gun. Low place bus big gun.
Viewer subscriber, a whole heap of different kind of news are run with Rebel6ix jump out. Some people are say a police out him out. Some people are say a gunman out him out. However it is, the dog jump out. You see me? And right now, dog, if you know say, the dog just a come up, a bus, and a push him fame, and you know what I mean? A push him music. And for know say now, a time now for him, for help him mother and him family and for put them up there. After putting in the work. The dog there in him yard and I play a video game and just jump out just like that. Dog, it hard. For real. So that me I make the artist them know say, you see me, love and respect goes out to the whole family and everything. But right now me I tell all of the artists them, uno turn up on no security, dog. Uno turn up on no security. Cause you see say the dancehall artist them is targeted at the moment. Don't get me wrong, dog. You see all of the flossing and the girl them, we know say it come with the game. But uno have to watch on a jelly, dog. Uno have to know how it a run. The flossing them, uno have to turn up on a security, dog. For real. Meds. Because you see, if uno now meds the game, and see say right now the whole of the dancehall artists them target, then that we no know, dog. Viewer, subscriber right now, are your boy Stola. Left it in the comment section and tell me when you think about the artists them and what go on right now with the artists them. But we say your boy Stola. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, or press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it. We not say nothing more, dog. We out. One.